Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to scan documents to your computer. First, locate your scanner or multifunction printer, making sure it is powered on and connected to your computer, either through a USB cable or your local network. Next, carefully open the scanner lid and place your document face down on the glass, aligning it with the marked guides. If your scanner has an automatic document feeder, load the pages face up, following the tray's specific arrows. This proper setup is crucial for a successful scan. Now open your computer's scanning software. You might use a built-in utility like Windows Fax and Scan or Image Capture on a Mac. Alternatively, install the software provided by your scanner's manufacturer, which often offers more advanced options. Within the software, you will typically find settings for the document type and scan mode. Choose between color, grayscale, or black and white, depending on your original material. These initial choices significantly impact your final digital document. Selecting the correct resolution is vital for scan quality. For standard text documents, aim for at least 300 dots per inch to ensure clarity and readability. If you are scanning photographs, a higher resolution of 600 dots per inch or more will capture fine details effectively. Next, choose your file format. PDF is excellent for documents because it maintains formatting and is universally accessible. For pictures, JPEG or PNG formats are best for preserving visual quality. After the scan is complete, you will be prompted to save your new digital file. Always choose a specific, easy-to-find location, perhaps a dedicated Scan Documents folder on your desktop or within your documents library. Name your file clearly and descriptively, including relevant dates or content, like invoice from September 4, 2023. Finally, consider backing up important scans to cloud storage services such as Google Drive or Dropbox for secure, remote access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.